Hey, welcome to Tech with Mannat. Today I will tell you how you can use your WhatsApp web or how you can use your WhatsApp in your PC or laptop. So don't waste your time. Let's start it. Open any browser in your PC or laptop and type here WhatsApp web. Now click on WhatsApp web. Now it is in process. So friends, if you did like my video, please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more useful and informative videos, and always stay connected with me. Here is required QR codes. Now I will open WhatsApp from mobile and click on the top three dots, and now click on setting the scan option. Now I will scan it from laptop screen and click on continue. Link a device. Now again scan. I'm scanning from mobile to laptop screen. Now link a device and your WhatsApp is open in your PC or laptop. So friends, now you can enjoy your WhatsApp web and you can contact with your friends, family here. You can see their status, you can see any contact. It was very interesting and enjoyable. You can also enjoy this procedure. Keep remember me in your prayers. Wait for my next video. I will come soon, inshallah. Till then, take care. Bye bye.